Hello there. Welcome to Skillio. Today, we're going to showcase success stories of businesses that have implemented Scrum successfully and achieved significant improvements in their product development processes and outcomes. First up is Spotify, the popular music streaming service. In 2012, Spotify's development team had grown to over 30 people, and they were facing significant challenges in scaling their product development processes. They turned to Scrum to help them improve their agility and collaboration. By implementing Scrum, Spotify was able to break down their development, work into small, manageable chunks, prioritize their backlog, and work in short sprints. This allowed them to deliver new features and updates quickly and efficiently, resulting in significant improvements in their product development outcomes. Next, we have Salesforce, the customer relationship management software company. Salesforce had been using a traditional waterfall development approach, but they were struggling to keep up with their customers' changing needs. In 2006, they decided to switch to Scrum to improve their responsiveness and flexibility. By adopting Scrum, Salesforce was able to reduce their time to market for new features, improve the quality of their software, and increase customer satisfaction. Today, Scrum is at the core of Salesforce's development methodology, and it has helped them become one of the most successful technology companies in the world. Finally, we have Toyota, the Japanese automotive company. Toyota has been using Scrum for over 20 years, and it has helped them become one of the most efficient and effective car manufacturers in the world. By implementing Scrum, Toyota was able to improve their collaboration, reduce waste, and increase their productivity. Today, Scrum is used throughout Toyota as manufacturing and development processes, and it has become a critical part of their success. So, these are just a few examples of how Scrum has helped businesses improve their product development processes and outcomes. By embracing Scrum, these companies were able to become more agile, responsive, and efficient, and they were able to deliver better products to their customers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Are you interested in Agile and Scrum? Come explore our videos to learn more. Let your friends, colleagues, and followers know what we have to offer. Show us some support by subscribing our channel and liking our video. Also, hit that bell icon to get new video updates. You won't want to miss out on what's next. Visit skillier.com for more information.